How to set up CAC reader. Now, if you have lost your specific manual just only for your CAC reader, you won't be able to set it up completely or properly. So the one that I'm going to be showing you up right now is for you to be able to find your unique user manual or your user guide. Now, for you to be able to look for it, you'll have to flip your CAC reader gadget, and there is going to be a white sticker indicated at the bottom part of your CAC reader gadget. Now, all you have to do there is just to copy or to type in or take note of the serial number. Now, you'll have to use your laptop, or you can also use your mobile phone for this video. Now, what you want to do is just to pull up any preferred web browser, and then on your browser, all you have to do is you have to type in the serial number indicated at the white sticker from your CAC reader gadget, followed by the word driver. So it does not matter if it's going to be all caps or all lowercase. So again, type in the serial number from your CAC reader and then space type driver. Once you key it in, you will be automatically given a unique user guide or user manual just for your CAC reader. So that's it. That's how you set up your CAC reader.